You know what time it is. It's Martin Midlife Misadventures. I join in with this group every week if I can. They are an awesome prepping channel and they believe in being prepared, and so do I. You don't need to spend a lot of money, you just need to make sure you spend a little extra each week and stock up. Stock up while you can. I am amazed that my grocery stores are always fully stocked, except for a few different items every year. This year, it seems to be trouble finding Little Caesar's dog food. Last year, it was soup and toilet paper. Soup now is fully stocked, and the toilet paper is fully stocked. But you know, I have a few months' supply of all those items, just in case. Well, let's see what Grandma bought this week. Good afternoon. You know what time it is. Prepping time. Yes, it is. And we do have a little bit of grocery shopping that we did this week. I went over budget by quite a little bit. I'm going to share with you how much over budget. My total was $177.25. So I went over $27.25 over budget. I'm not happy about it, but next week I'll have to try to spend no more than $115 and see if I can do it. Now, I did stock up on quite a few things that did cost some money, but food is going up, and we'll just have to wait and see if I can keep it under $150 or less every week. This week I went over. Oh well, let's see what we did. We'll start over here. I got paper plates. They were about $10 for 154 of them. And they're not the great big ones. They're like like a small plate of food or a sandwich size. I don't want to get the big ones, but then I don't want the tiny ones either. The tiny ones are too tiny, and the big ones are too big. These are just perfect. We needed to get some more whipped topping, so I got some of that. We were out. We were low on garlic salt, so I got some of that. I want to do a little bit of baking the next couple of weeks, so I bought 2 cake mixes. So I'm not buying the plates or the garlic salt or the cake mixes in the near future. So those were things I stocked up on. I got a spice cake and I got a carrot cake. I thought I would grate up some of the zucchini in the garden and make a zucchini cake out of the spice cake, and I bought a carrot, and I'll do that this week, and I'll make a carrot cake. So I thought that was pretty good. You got to have snacks. And we had got 2 cans of minestrone soup to replace what my husband ate, and 2 cans of cream of potato. We have made some beef gravy this last week, so I bought 4 cans, and that was very expensive. Those were like over $2 a can, but I won't be buying that again probably for another 3 or 4 weeks. So that was another thing I stocked up on. Raisins really weren't too expensive, but that was another thing I stocked up on. We will not be buying that probably for another 3 or 4 months. The rice pudding was on special, and my husband likes it, so I got 2 of those for him, and I got 1 tapioca for me. A total of 3. They were on sale, but they were pretty pricey when you added 3 of them. The pork and beans, I'm going to make something with the beans and franks, and that will be something we'll eat for 2 days. Don't buy the mango fruit bars. I'm telling you right now, don't buy them. They are so good. They are so addictive. You'll be buying, you'll probably have it gone in 1 or 2 days. That's how good they are. If you like mango, you're going to love these fruit bars. My husband loves the strawberries, so I got 1 package of strawberries for him and 1 package of mango for Grandma. And the ice cream, I did get strawberry for my husband. I like, they just didn't have a lot of ice cream today. So, I bought what we would eat, and my husband loves strawberries, so that's what we got. I did buy some fresh strawberries to go in my strawberry ice cream. It does give it a lot better flavor. To throw some fresh ones in. It was only a little over $1 more to buy the big container of strawberries over the little one, so I shot to buy that. They also had the blueberries on special, but we don't eat a lot of blueberries, so I just stayed with a small one. They go bad so quick. You have to eat them right away, or you have to throw them out. I did get some bananas for some more fresh fruit. I also got some beef bologna and beef hot dogs. I know they cost more, and I really don't care because there's just me and my husband, and I think we should buy what we really like, not being worrying about every little penny. The franks, I'll be making a couple meals out of that, and the bologna will probably be what we're eating for lunches, probably for the next couple days or the week. That's a pretty big container of bologna, so it may easily last this week into next. I bought 1 onion, no sense buying more than that, I'll just be throwing it out. I love avocados. We bought 2 avocados. Did I mention bananas? We did get bananas. We get those every week. I just got 1 tomato. That should make it. We have little tomatoes out in the garden. But my husband likes the beef tomatoes, and I can't grow them. I've tried and tried. They just don't work. I've never been able to grow a beef tomato and eat it. The bugs get it before I do. Here are the carrots for the carrot cake. I'm going to make some tacos today, so I got some fresh taco shells. And I got 2 packages of ground beef, and whatever beef we don't eat for the tacos, I'll make some Spanish rice, and I already have everything to make that. So there's a couple more meals. And we do have a full freezer and a full pantry. I try to buy tomato ketchup pretty often because my husband eats a lot of it. We probably won't be buying any meat in the next couple of weeks because I have some in the freezer right now, but I wanted fresh meat for my tacos. So then I'll put the other one in the freezer. So we have enough meat now probably for the next month or so. So probably next week I could manage to get my bill a lot cheaper. We were totally out of eggs, so that was something we had to buy. The Marie Calendar pot pies, I bought a package of those. There's 8 of them, so that's 4 meals. So that is really getting stuff ahead for 4. Well, we'll eat some this week, and we'll have enough for 3 more weeks. So that's great too. I bought some applesauce for my cake mixes, and I didn't buy a huge one. And I know it's cheaper to buy the big one, but I have a tendency to let it go bad, and I know that's bad of me. So we're not going there either. I figure it's not helping me if I'm wasting. Kibbles and bits. They had only 2 left after I took this one, and no Little Caesar dog food. Don't be concerned. Mr. Peanut has plenty of Little Caesar dog food here. When I do see it, I try to pick up a case at a time. So don't be worried. Mr. Peanut is not starving. We got him some little greenies. That was 43 small ones because he's a small dog. So I think we did pretty good this week grocery shopping, even though we did go over budget. What can I say? Even though we did go over by $27 this week, there was a lot of things I stocked up on that I will not be purchasing next week. I mean, the Marie Calendar pies, I won't need to do that for probably a month. The cake mixes, I won't be doing that again for a long time. The paper plates, maybe a couple of months. I usually wash my dishes, but the grandkids will be coming over a lot, and it's just easier to get a paper plate when I have them here. And the greenies, won't have to buy that probably for another month or so. And the gravy we won't have to buy for a few weeks. And the rice pudding, I only buy it when it's on special. It's pretty pricey. So there are quite a few things. The raisins won't be something I need to buy probably for another 4 or 5 months, because I already have some in here. So between what I have and what I just bought, we got plenty. The bread, of course, we have to buy every week. We buy fresh fruits and vegetables every week. I do pick stuff from the garden also. And I think we're doing okay. So let me know what you thought of our grocery trip today. And I hope you guys are all prepping that pantry and your refrigerator. We're heading into a lot of rocky area, I think. I don't know how high things are going to go. Our fuel is still going up in price. I have no clue why we can't pump our own gas. We have, in Kern County, we have enough Kern County gasoline that we could have, or oil, whatever you want to call it. We could probably just take care of California with no trouble here in our own state. But why would we want to do that? So we will see what we're going to have happen with the way gas prices are going. That is going up to $6, $7, and $8 a gallon now out here. So if any of you live in other states, just imagine what we're going through. And as gas goes up, so do food prices and everything else. Bye-bye for now. See you in the next video. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Thanks for all your love and support.